Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Azure subscription, a resource group, and the device details. Once done, install and log into Azure CLI. This lets you push configuration fast. Next, register the latch in Device Registry so Azure can authenticate telemetry. This is how secure pairing works. Make sure to enable the specific extension for non-stop Dribble support. Because that exposes the commands you'll need to operate. You now configure the latch for non-stop Dribble. Set the data interval and buffer behavior in the device twin. Once done, deploy the twin update via CLI so the latch receives instructions immediately. This is how you control cadence and payload size. Monitor the telemetry stream in the Azure portal to verify messages arrive continuously, and make sure to tune CoS and batching to avoid packet loss while keeping latency low. You finish by deploying the final firmware image and confirming the device handshake with Azure EOT Hub. That seals the configuration. Once done, enable monitoring and set alerts so you detect interruptions early. This helps you act before data loss occurs. If you encounter dropped messages or stalls, restart the latch service and reapply the device twin. This resets the Dribble state and usually clears transient faults. If not, collect logs and escalate for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.